wafaidike.
Piny owacho korang ka ginyalo medo thuolo mag tijene rowere ka gitiyo gi kembe mag ji giwegi. Kane losi kinde nyasi ma hingo higni 5 nyaka ne chak kambi mar Inua AI. Jagoro mong'eyore migawo mar tudruok kod lony ma nyasani John Tarus wacho ni piny owacho sani oketo maino ne jolo tije mopogore opogore e lony ma nyasani. Jatiji mar Inua AI Humphrey Muchuma wacho ni kambino chano chenro mar yawo kuonde mbui ma nyasani maromo 10 mondo med thuolo mag tije. Inua AI sani siro jopuonjre 20 kit somo mopogore opogore.
To 5 years of innovation.
This country is full of talent. We are privileged to have our youth who have received the necessary basic training and are very agile to transform to the needs of the current market and the demands in the digital space. We assure you, you have our full support. As a government, will continue to listen to business owners and entrepreneurs like Humphrey to find out what policy changes or improvement we need to do in this space.
Kenya has a very, very big human capital that is well experienced, well exposed, and what we've seen is them being just provided with an opportunity to get these jobs. And we are glad with the networks that we've managed to build across the US and other markets. We've been able to employ more than 250 young people.